Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to easily update the Google Maps app on your Android phone. Updates bring new features, improvements in navigation, and refreshed information such as new roads, traffic conditions, and locations. Additionally, updates enhance the security of the app and ensure that your navigation is accurate and reliable. So let's get started with the process. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Next, tap the search option in the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the search field at the top of the screen. Type in Google Maps and tap the magnifying glass icon. When the app page opens, if an update is available, you will see the Update button. Tap that button and Google Maps will begin to update. This process may take a few seconds or minutes, depending on the speed of your internet connection. Once the update is complete, the app will be refreshed and ready to use. You can simply press the Open button to launch the latest version of the Google Maps app and enjoy the new features and improvements. This will ensure that your navigation is accurate and reliable, with all the latest information and enhancements. And that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you very soon, and thank you for watching.